Every day, a lot of people call me, mail me, or send me messages, and they ask me, Sir, I have read English in primary level. I have read English in high school level. I have read English in college level or varsity level. I'm a graduate person. I have got good marks in my academic career. I have got A plus marks in my academic career. I'm a graduate person. I know English well, but it's a matter of great regret that I don't know how to speak in English. Please tell me what's the reason behind of it. I would like to say them we read English only for passing in the exam. We read English only for getting A plus mark in the exam. We think English is a subject. English is not only a subject but also a language. You have to remember that English, first of all, English is a language. If we think of English as a language, and only then we will be able to speak in English, and only then we will be able to learn English. This is the reason of it.